Best way to take baking soda internally to reduce belly fat, help UTIs and balance kidney pH. After years of raw food, alkalized diet, drinking green juice and green powder, lemon water and expensive alkaline driops, I found good old baking soda to be an inexpensive way to protect your kidneys, ward off urinary tract infections, and help you lose weight by taking it internally. What is baking soda? Simply put, it's a white powder known as sodium bicarbonate. This simple ingredient has so many amazing uses, including cleaning carpets, using its paste to relieve bug bites, or as a tooth whitener, as an ingredient for rising cookies and cakes in baking, and so much more. Since we use it in baking, we know it's safe to ingest. But why would you want to ingest it? How much is a safe amount? Since I have never recommended something not to try first, I can tell you that taking baking soda internally has no adverse side effects and only found great results. Here are some things that it has done for me: reduction of belly bloat, reversal of kidney pain brought on by dehydration and/or dry fasting, great energy when I take it in the morning before a workout. Here are some of the ways baking soda can improve your health. The recipe: 1 to 2 cups room temperature water, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Stir all together and drink, preferably on an empty stomach. This can be drunk any time of day, but make sure not to take it with supplements or on a very full stomach. Optional: add 2 tbs apple cider vinegar or lemon juice to help increase weight loss. It doesn't taste great, so just chase it with plain water. Benefits of using apple cider vinegar and baking soda: weight loss. Along with a healthy diet, low-carb, plant-based keto is my favorite, and regular moderate exercise, baking soda can reduce belly fat and flatten a bloated stomach. If you do this every day, you will begin to notice that your stomach becomes flat during the day, and fat will begin to decrease after you take it in moderation. Urinary tract infection (UTI) reversal: by alkalizing the kidneys you can reverse a painful UTI. Simply this: drink daily without the apple cider vinegar, lemon. Relieve kidney pain and prevent kidney stones. When the body is acidic, the kidneys can become tender and painful stones can form. A morning and before bed drink is very useful for preventing stones from forming. To make an acid-reducing energy drink before or after exercise, stir 4 cups of water with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of real salt or Celtic salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. How long should you take the baking soda drink for? At least until the symptoms subside. I would suggest 1 week on and 1 week off, so as not to overload your system with too much sodium. But as your body gets more healthy and alkalized by eating lots of veggies, and eliminating processed foods and grains, your intuition will become stronger and you can tune into its needs. Trust yourself and trust your body. Tips and cautions when drinking baking soda. It is high in sodium, so it is a good idea not to overdo it. If you suffer from liver disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure or edema, you should not drink baking soda. Don't drink baking soda if you are pregnant or nursing. If you take prescription drugs, be sure to ask your doctor before drinking baking soda. Children under 5 should not drink baking soda. Don't drink baking soda on a full stomach. Side effects of consumption may include increased thirst and stomach cramping.